So this is part 2 for lesson 9.1 on solving quadratics using graphs and tables. This fourth example that I'm going to show you is how to find the solutions on the graph and also in the table that goes with the graph. So we're going to not use this exact equation here to put into Desmos. We're going to do y equals because we need an actual function that's going to show multiple solutions. So we're going to do y equals x squared plus 3x plus 7. And here's the graph here that it shows us. So if we look, this has a minimum, right? It's a parabola that's never going to go below this vertex. So it's never going to hit the x-axis in any point at any given time, which means that there are actually no solutions to this. There are no solutions where y is 0 on this x-axis where the function is going to cross over or connect to it. Okay, so let's look at another one. Oh, actually, I wanted to show you the table, forgot. So what you do to see the table is you click here inside where this function is, and then you click settings, and then you can click on convert to table. So this gives you x and y values that exist on the graph. And what we're looking for is when y equals 0, what are the x values? And we don't see any here. And by looking at the graph, we know it's never going to get there. Okay, it's never going to go below this vertex here. Okay, sorry, I had an interruption. It's never going to go past this point. So anyway, there's not going to be a solution. Okay, so that's that one. Let's look at a different example, because that one didn't give us a whole lot of help there. Let's do this one. So we have y equals 3x squared. By the way, this whole process that you guys see me doing, you're going to be doing the same thing. Okay, you're going to be doing the same exact thing, opening up the Desmos graphing calculator, putting these equations in, identifying where they cross the x-axis. Okay, those are the solutions. So here we go. This one has solutions. So we want to see those solutions in the table. So we click on settings once we're in that equation box and we convert to table. Now we can see at least one of them where y is 0, x is -2. There's the point right there. Now we need to estimate on this other side, okay? We can actually see that this is 1/3 and where the other x is 0, y is 0. So what we could do, like where would 1/3 go? It would be in between -2. So I'm going to click on the left and add another space. And I'm going to put 1/3. And there it is. There's that point. So there's 2 zeros, 2 solutions, where one x is -2 and one of the x's is 1/3. So the graph really helps with that. Later, we'll learn how to solve it by factoring and other things, but this is the 2 things as part of this lesson. Graph it using the graphing calculator, okay, using Desmos. Find where the 2 solutions are, or one solution or no solution exists, okay? And also view the table after you have Desmos graph it. And try and get that other solution in there because it tells you once you click on it, and then you can fit it in like I did. But it's just about finding that connection between where can I see those solutions in a table and where can I see them in the graph.